The auditing profession, a cornerstone of financial transparency and accountability, is undergoing a seismic shift due to the rapid adoption of artificial intelligence, AI. Historically reliant on manual processes and sample-based testing, auditors now find themselves at the forefront of a technological revolution. AI is not only improving efficiency and accuracy but also redefining the scope and depth of audit procedures. From planning and risk assessment to substantive testing and reporting, AI is reshaping every stage of the audit cycle. This article explores how AI is revolutionizing the audit profession, supported by measurable outcomes, software examples, and references to key international standards on auditing, ISAs. AI in risk assessment and planning. Enhancing audit strategy. The audit cycle begins with planning and risk assessment, where auditors identify areas of significant risk. Traditionally, this stage relied on manual analysis and historical data, often requiring weeks of work to gather insights. AI has transformed this process by enabling real-time analysis of large datasets and predictive risk modeling. AI-driven risk assessment tools reduce the time needed for risk evaluation by up to 40%, as reported by Deloitte Insights, 2023. For example, AI algorithms analyze entire datasets from general ledgers, contracts, and prior audit reports to identify trends, correlations, and anomalies. This automated process replaces manual sampling and provides auditors with a broader view of potential risks, significantly improving risk prioritization. MindBridge AI Auditor excels in this area by identifying high-risk transactions through anomaly detection algorithms. The tool enhances ISA 315, revised 2019, compliance by providing auditors with detailed risk assessments based on comprehensive data analysis. With AI, auditors can dedicate more time to addressing significant risks rather than performing time-consuming manual analyses. AI-driven substantive testing, a paradigm shift in evidence collection. Substantive testing has traditionally been a time-intensive process that relies on sampling a fraction of a dataset to draw conclusions about the entire population. AI allows for full population testing, enabling auditors to analyze all transactions in a given dataset. The use of AI in substantive testing has reduced audit costs by 20–30%, as reported by EY, 2023. This cost reduction is achieved by automating data extraction, reconciliation, and testing processes that previously required significant human effort. AI enhances error detection rates by up to 50%, as it systematically examines every transaction for irregularities. EY Helix Analytics is a prominent example of how AI facilitates full population testing. It uses machine learning algorithms to detect revenue recognition issues, identify unusual journal entries, and flag inconsistencies in financial statements. This aligns with ISA 500, which requires auditors to gather sufficient and appropriate audit evidence. By leveraging AI, auditors can ensure more robust and reliable conclusions, with fewer overlooked errors. Control testing and AI, enhancing efficiency and accuracy. Internal controls are fundamental to the reliability of financial reporting, and their testing is a key component of audits. Previously, auditors manually reviewed a subset of transactions and control activities, often relying on control walkthroughs. AI now automates much of this process, offering real-time control testing and continuous monitoring. AI reduces the time required for control testing by approximately 35%, as highlighted in a PwC study. Furthermore, AI enhances the accuracy of control assessments by analyzing 100% of relevant data, compared to manual methods that typically cover only a fraction. Audit Board is an AI-driven platform that integrates with ERP systems to test controls like user access reviews and segregation of duties. It identifies control lapses in real time, ensuring compliance with ISA 330, which emphasizes the need for effective control testing. AI's ability to detect exceptions across all transactions significantly enhances the reliability of control evaluations, reducing the likelihood of undetected material misstatements. AI in fraud detection. Strengthening the auditor's toolkit. Fraud detection has historically been one of the most challenging aspects of auditing due to its dynamic nature. Traditional methods relied heavily on manual analysis and whistleblower reports. AI now offers the ability to analyze vast datasets and detect subtle patterns indicative of fraud. AI has improved fraud detection rates by 40%, according to the Journal of Accountancy, 2023. This is achieved by machine learning algorithms that can uncover hidden relationships between transactions, identify vendor discrepancies, and flag anomalies in payment patterns. KPMG Clara is a cutting-edge AI tool used to analyze financial data for signs of fraud, such as split transactions or payments to shell companies. These insights align with ISA 240, which requires auditors to respond to risks of material misstatement due to fraud. AI enables auditors to proactively address fraud risks, reducing the time and cost associated with post-detection investigations. Reporting and communication, streamlining the final stage of the audit cycle. The reporting phase, often the most time-consuming part of an audit, involves compiling findings and drafting a comprehensive audit report. AI has simplified this process by automating report generation and enabling real-time collaboration. AI reduces reporting time by up to 30%, as auditors no longer need to manually consolidate and summarize data. Automated tools also minimize errors, ensuring that reports are accurate and compliant with auditing standards. PwC's Halo platform generates detailed audit reports that include risk assessments, key findings, and recommendations, significantly reducing the administrative burden on auditors. This innovation supports ISA 700, revised, which mandates clear and concise reporting of audit opinions. AI-driven reporting tools also facilitate better client communication, enabling auditors to deliver insights more effectively. How AI achieves these measurable outcomes? AI achieves these measurable outcomes by leveraging advanced technologies such as machine learning, natural language processing, NLP, and robotic process automation, RPA. These tools analyze large volumes of structured and unstructured data, identify patterns, and generate actionable insights far more quickly and accurately than traditional methods. By automating repetitive tasks, AI allows auditors to focus on higher-value activities, such as interpreting findings, exercising professional judgment, and providing strategic advice to clients. The ethical and professional implications of AI in auditing. While AI offers numerous benefits, its adoption raises ethical considerations. Auditors must ensure transparency in AI's decision-making processes and maintain compliance with ethical standards, such as those outlined by the International Ethics Standards Board for Accountants, IESBA. Furthermore, auditors must avoid over-reliance on AI, balancing its insights with the professional judgment. ISA 200 emphasizes the importance of professional skepticism and ethical behavior. AI complements, but does not replace, the auditor's role as a trusted advisor. Continuous training and education are essential to ensure that auditors can effectively leverage AI while upholding the integrity of the audit process. Embracing the future of auditing with AI is revolutionizing the audit profession, transforming every stage of the audit cycle. By enhancing risk assessment, automating substantive and control testing, improving fraud detection, and streamlining reporting, AI increases efficiency, reduces costs, and elevates audit quality. These advancements align seamlessly with key auditing standards, ensuring that the audit profession remains relevant and resilient in an increasingly digital world. As auditors continue to embrace AI, it is vital to balance technological innovation with professional judgment and ethical considerations. The future of auditing lies in the harmonious integration of AI and human expertise, ensuring that the profession continues to uphold its commitment to transparency and accountability.